further concentrated on only the development process. Wherever it needed, it should be proper work should be there, and the cleaning of our surroundings. Every day there is a very good environment, and trees, parks, everything is there. And we want to further concentrate on development, only development of our surroundings. And further, I selected under various activities. Various activities means the process, ongoing process, development, only development. So later, we developed a habit. Every day, I remember well, I got so many prizes for that also. And I wish everybody should do these activities for next generation. So under one system, I concentrated only development. So everybody, under system and supervision guidance, I remember that every day they started after prayer. They started with the motivation of tiffin activity. I prepared a good menu at that time, non-veg, veg, vegetarian, uh, so many items in tiffin, lunch, and dinner. Also, I further concentrated my development activity, only development of surroundings. I extended my view to not only my system, me, and other system also. We have a scope to gaze further, and we learned so many things at that time. So every system is like that. Every system doing their own activity, same as I did. Later, we conducted a stage show. So all people together, they're watching a stage show of dance, songs, mimicries, and sports activity, prizes for sports activity. There, our activity ends. Further, I concentrated only development of that thing. So every time, whenever we, I, we recognize, I recognize whenever we together moving, we observe only the art section only, paintings, books, sports, grounds, playgrounds, gym, cricket, volleyball, everything. From there, my concentration on development activity of only development of our surroundings. So they are remodeling our uh, our already existing system and societies. Every day these activities are doing simultaneously what we are preparing for toughest exam, toughest question paper. Along with we did all these things, and from there to my my developmental motto extended to the outer cinema theaters and parks, nearby parks, and every day they are motivating after prayer. They are motivating with this activity. Only this activity I did. I prepared a good menu for all people for tiffin. They joined with a nice uh, ice cakes, honey cakes, and sweets, and celebrating like birthday function and a good marriage function like that. After that, our activity started. These memories I am sharing with all you people because those days We are under one system. We are doing only these activities. We are cultivating a new ideas, learning ideas. Not only ideas, a good words, developing a memory tool equipments and further question and answers, preparing further question and answers, all this material and record work, everything we are doing. Simultaneously, we are doing this activity, cultural activities, programs, and watching movies, all these things. There is a scope to observe further and related to our system. Yes, cleaning of our environment, development only concentrated on development of our system, already existed systems, and uh, concentration on development only gives opportunity to observe related to our system. I observe not only related to our system, we are working together, all systems are alike. They are doing same duty, same work, same concentration on development, process on developments.